Schiphol Airport has demonstrated its improved full-body scanner after a Nigerian man, 23-year-old Umar Farooq Abdul Mutlab, was charged with attempting to blow up the Northwest Flight 253 just before landing at Detroit on Christmas Day. The Chief Operating Officer of Schiphol Group, Ad Rutten, said the airport will make the new microwave detectors compulsory after approval from European authorities. Several airports worldwide already have scanners, of which there are 3 different types: the millimeter wave, the backscatter and the T-ray. Schiphol says the new scanner is better as it is not operated by a human being and therefore more discreet and less realistic.
We don't need a controller anymore who looks at the picture, who analyzes the pictures, but the computer can analyze the picture. And so by taking out the human interface, we think that the Parliament in the next round will approve the body scan.
The Schiphol Group says the airport could implement the new scanners within a year after approval. Fakir Iqtidar, DawnNews.